We have already seen enough examples. So what I did is I have given you some few more examples for your practice sake. So you please practice them. They are very simple. So I am not going to solve them, but I have given you solutions. Okay, I mean the answers, not the solutions. So let's see this. This is one question. You are supposed to solve the system of equations, and if you solve it, you will find out that rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, therefore inconsistent, which means there will be no solutions at all. And if you solve these equations, you will find that rank of A is equal to rank of AB equal to n. So what is n here? 3. Number of unknowns is 3. Therefore, you have unique solution, and if you try to find out what the unique solution is, then you will get that x equal to -7, 22 and -9. This is the unique solution. And similarly, if you solve this, you will find out that rank of A is equal to rank of AB, therefore they are consistent. There could be either one or infinite number of solutions. But then rank of A and rank of AB turned out to be 2, but the number of unknowns are 3. Therefore n minus r is 1, which means we have one generic solution. So the generic solution is this one. How did we get it? How would we get it? By giving some arbitrary value to one of the variables and then writing the others in terms of this. I given here that variable as c, I mean as that z is taking the value c, and then in terms of z I have evaluated others. You could do the other way, which means you could give x equal to c and you can evaluate y and z in terms of x. That is also fine. But what I mean to say is you are going to express the values of some variables in terms of the others. Okay, now watch this one. Again, if you want to solve this, you will find out that rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to n. N means number of unknowns, and everything is equal to 3. Then what can we say? There exists a unique solution, and the unique solution is this. If you try to solve it, you get this. And similarly in this one, you will find out that rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 2, but then the number of unknowns are 3. Therefore n minus r, which means 3 minus 2, 1. One generic solution will exist. How to find it out? We have to substitute in place of for one variable we have to give some arbitrary value and evaluate other variables in terms of this arbitrary value, right? So here I am taking z equal to c, which means z is given this arbitrary value and other variables are evaluated in terms of this z. So I got this. You can do it the other way also. You can give x equal to c and then write the others. So anyway, whenever you have this generic solution, you are going to have infinite number of solutions, because for every value of c you will get one solution and that solution will satisfy the equations, right? And again, if you see this one, rank of A, rank of AB and n all are equal, therefore you have unique solution, and if you solve that you are going to get this. So you please practice them. You should not take it is not difficult, that is why I am leaving it. I am not giving the solutions. If you practice it will be easy. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply. And statement of purpose building. and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.